In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gaming YouTube thumbnail in Fotor. First, open your browser and head over to Fotor.com. On the home page, click the Login button. Choose your account to sign in so you can access the full editor and your dashboard. Being logged in ensures your work stays organized and you can easily return to your designs later. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the search bar at the top. Type YouTube thumbnail and confirm the search. This tells Fotor you want templates that are already sized for YouTube, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. You'll be redirected to the editor area where you can browse ready-made designs specifically laid out for thumbnails. Now narrow it down to the gaming style you want. In the editor's search field, type gaming. You'll see a range of gaming-themed layouts, bold colors, dynamic angles, and energetic fonts that are perfect for grabbing attention. Pick a design that fits the mood of your video. Don't overthink it at this stage. You can change everything later, so treat this as your starting point. With your template open, start customizing. Click on any text to rewrite the headline. Keep it short and punchy so it's readable on small screens. Adjust the font, size, and color to match your channel's style. High contrast colors, like light text on a dark background, make a big difference in visibility. Next, tweak the visuals. Select any image in the template to replace it with something that reflects your content, like a game screenshot or a character image you're allowed to use. Make sure the picture is sharp and clear. If the template uses shapes or overlays, you can recolor them to fit your branding and create separation between the subject and the background. Arrange your elements so there's a clear visual hierarchy. Prioritize the main headline, keep supporting text smaller, and give your key image some breathing room. Use alignment guides to keep things neat and centered. If your text blends into the background, try adding a subtle drop shadow or a thin outline to help it pop without looking heavy. As you refine the design, zoom out to thumbnail size to check readability. Aim to keep important parts away from the edges so nothing gets cropped on different devices. When the colors, text, and imagery all work together and your message is instantly clear, you've got a strong thumbnail. That's it. Simple, clean, and tailored for gaming content using Fotor. Follow these steps, trust your eye, and you'll have a thumbnail that stands out in the feed.